Hi, I build drones as a hobby, as you can see, and what I have here is the Storm Racing Drone. This is suitable for beginners all the way up to advanced, including children with adult supervision, because this is a GPS-enabled racing drone. Unlike other racing drones, once you let go of the throttle, it just falls out of the sky like a brick. Or, once you lose sight of it, bad things can happen. So what's neat about this also is that it comes ready to fly. That means it comes with a controller, so all you have to do is supply batteries for the controller and battery for the drone. What's neat about this drone is, unlike other drones, because their format uses a small battery, this can use a much larger long format battery. As you can see, it just goes on the top like I'm going to do right now for you. And it emits a signal that you would just pick up using a FPV monitor like this, or a set of goggles like this. And what's important is that this provides you important details about the status of the drone, including how many GPS signals it has. Once it has appropriate level of GPS signals, for think of about 7, it'll be ready to go. And so it does a great job of really staying where you put it in the sky, and it's pretty fast. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy.